backing on in. Oh my gosh, that hit her hard. Careful, dude. These waves are really coming in strong. Here's your chance. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take us all out. Oh shoot.
Let's talk about love. I'm feeling alright. Let's talk about love.
What up, guys? And aloha from Hawaii.
Aloha! Oh.
Welcome to our channel. We are burying Hannah, and it has already started. Oh wow, she just plopped a huge. Oh.
I could bury you alive. I could pound your face.
I don't even know what reason, but they decided, you guys, and I apologize for them, but they decided to bury her right in the middle of where all the water meets and goes around. And it's kind of crazy, but they built this little barrier here, and the barrier is actually kind of keeping her safe from all the waters. We got Jefferson music right there. What's up, dude? I think we're gonna go into the water, but you guys, it is very, 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 very choppy again. Like you can see here, the waves are breaking on the shore. So we're gonna keep burying Hannah. We're gonna see if we can get her all the way to here, fully under the sand. It's heavy, wet, cold sand. Huh? You talking trash back here? What are you saying?
Oh, Jada's like, can you get more sand? Because her thigh's so big.
Oh, not in the mouth, dude. Oh my goodness gracious. What are you thinking, dude? He's trying to feed it to her. He's trying to feed you the dirt. Oh. She busted out. A huge wave just came. Nice, babe. You hopped out of there quick. You look like a sand monster. Dang. That's a good look for you, babe. Yeah, that's. You don't even have to pay for that. You have to pay for that. Are you next? Yeah, are you next? She's next? You guys comment below if you think that now we should bury Natalia in the sand. Now it's all wet and heavy and cold. Free exfoliation for you. If you haven't guessed yet, we are still in Hawaii. Thumbs up this video, you guys, if you want to go to Hawaii or you have ever been to Hawaii. Comment too, because it'd be awesome to see who else has come. I apologize again about the wind. I think we're gonna get in the water. You guys ready to get in the water? Oh, there she goes. The Sand Queen is going in. There she goes. She's backing on in. Oh my gosh, that hit her hard. Oh, another big one's gonna get her. Watch out! Oh! So what you guys did not see earlier is that like a storm came in as soon as we got here. Like we got here, the water was all calm and good, and we're like, oh cool, we brought our snorkeling gear. A storm came in and it was raining. It was like legitimately raining, cold rain. We had towels over our head, and I guess they're going back in. But now the waves are intense. But Hannah's gonna help Caspian. There you go. You gotta get out past it.
And no one knows how far it
All right, guys, so I just got buried and then I went in the water because I actually am a ocean person. I love going in the water. Leave in the comments if you guys like to go in the water when you go to the ocean. But then Tal got this brilliant idea to get an inner tube. I don't know if you can see her right there. She's working it. She's right there. She had this brilliant idea to get an inner tube and to skimboard on the inner tube for the kids. I think it's a brilliant idea. She's genius for sure. I also have another question. Have you guys been to Hawaii? Leave it in the comments below. I love Hawaii. It's beautiful. It's kind of rainy and then sunny, but we're just chilling at the beach today, making fun out of life. Good job, Tal! Yep, it's working!
Here's your chance. Oh my gosh, this is gonna take us all out. Oh shoot! Good catch, babe. Whoa.
That was a close one.
Whoa. That was a huge one. You definitely flew far on that one. Wow. Good catch, babe. Peyton, you almost got swept away. Yeah.
I got you.
Wow. Careful, dude. These waves are really coming in strong. Ah, he's talking trash. It is?
Yeah.
Hey, the wind is dying down though.
Oh yeah.
That's
And
good.
the rain stopped.
Yeah, the waves are calming down a little bit too, huh? Are you gonna try it, babe? Are you gonna try it, babe?
No, us think of being buried and going in the water. No, I don't want to try.
Are you sure you don't want to try
I'll
it?
go in a wave and sit in it. I'll go in my butt.
You might get slammed. Careful on that break. Good catch, babe. Whoa! Whoa! That was a huge one. Peyton, you almost got like swept away. Yeah.
I got you.
Wow. Careful, dude. These waves are really coming in strong. She's going for it, dude. Watch out for sharks. Goodbye, babe. We'll see you on the other side of the earth.
Come back. Come back.
So the other day we actually went to a black sand beach. You didn't, oh you went, right? You and Liv? So we wanted to take everybody else back to another black sand beach. This is a little bit of like a grayish.
But that's
That looks black. Doesn't it look black? Leave in the comments if you guys think this looks black. Wait, go put something black up against it.
I don't have anything.
Let's see, what's black? I mean, it looks, on my phone screen, there. Looks pretty black on Jade. And it's really cool and really pretty, but Jaden has to go to the bathroom. I told her to just go in the ocean.
So we're at the beach today. Having very fun. Yep. There's black sand, and I'm at the beach with my best friends. Right, Pink? Yeah. And they're having photo shoot live.
We're at a photo shoot.
He said they're having photo shoot live.
You said you guys are having photo shoot lights.
Look at these peeps.
Show them the middle, dude.
Why haven't I gotten
Wait, how's the air though?
side for the wind?
Maybe pull it out of your face a little bit. Oh, make sure it's taxi, guys. Oh, what do you got? What is it?
Baby jellyfish right here, if you know if you can see that.
Huh?
And then I don't know what this is called. This one, this is like sea urchin.
I think you're right, yeah.
But we literally almost stepped on it walking back.
Bro, that would have hurt.
That would not have felt good.
Yeah, you see that, Cass? Is that pretty cool?
Touch the jellyfish.
No, thank
No
you.
way, that'll sting you.
What happens if you get stung by a jellyfish, Cass?
Pee on something.
That's right. Yeah, Jay, how did you know that? You've done it before, huh?
On Emily.
Yeah, you remember it? Oh, that's nasty. Maybe we should talk about that. Wow.
I want you to keep it.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Keep it.
Do you like it?
Keep it. Keep it. Keep it. Keep it.
All right. Guys, we are back home to our condo officially. It was a very, very fun day. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with us today at the beach. The girls actually went to go get us some Starbucks. We are all showered. We are all washed up. Well, not washed up, but you know what I mean, cleaned up, whatever you want to say, whatever you want to call it. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. We have some more fun videos coming your way from Hawaii. So make sure you guys are watching over the next few days. It's going to be awesome. So anyway, guys, remember to be kind to each other. Remember to say nice things to each other. Remember to trade negative thoughts for positive thoughts. All right? It's very important. We will catch you guys tomorrow. See ya.